Welcome back, Portola High School families. We are super excited to be mentoring your children this year. Currently, the PHS Science Department has 3 primary teams: Living Earth, Chemistry of the Earth Systems, and Physics in the Universe. Our Physics in the Universe team consists of Miss Franck, Mr. Pham, and Mr. Oliveras.
To learn more about your child's teacher, feel free to read their bios on Google Classroom or their campus page.
This year we're flipping back to school night, but what does that even mean? Well, it means all the information will be provided to you in this informational video that would typically be covered in traditional back to school night. So you can watch this video whenever it's convenient for you in your own home, in your pajamas if you want.
This will give us more time to have casual conversations in our classrooms when we come on back to school night.
All 11th grade learners at PHS take Physics in the Universe. Physics in the Universe is based off the next generation science standards that California has recently adopted. This class interweaves all of the traditional physics content in addition to some earth science standards. What is great about NGSS is that it emphasizes science and engineering skills in addition to content. So this year, you will be seeing your child doing a lot of innovating, revising, and collaborating instead of the traditional rote memorization that was emphasized in the past.
We have weighted grade categories to complement the shift to NGSS. Science and engineering practices, or skills, will be worth 40% of the grade. Because we want learners to strive towards mastery of skills over the course of the year, grades for this category will not be averaged throughout the semester. Instead, student performance on late or end-of-term assessments will constitute their final grade for the science and engineering practice areas of learning. The rubric used to assess this category is accessible on your teacher's Canvas page. Learners will keep track of their growth on a digital document called the SEP Tracker. The teacher will periodically work with the learner to analyze areas of strength and areas in need of growth. Disciplinary core ideas and cross-cutting concepts, which are traditionally known as content standards, are worth 40% of the grade in college prep classes. The grade for this category will be averaged over the course of the semester. Exhibiting the pride values of perseverance, respect, integrity, drive, and empathy will be worth 20% of the grade in college prep classes. Learners exhibit these values when they turn in quality assignments on time, collaborate well with others, and contribute to a positive learning environment.
Another difference from traditional teaching is the use of performance tasks to assess student learning. Performance tasks are more open-ended than a traditional multiple-choice exam and requires learners to apply concepts and skills in new contexts. Oftentimes, there is more than one way to solve the problems. Some performance tasks are completed in one class period and some are project-based, which can span many days or even the entire semester, such as with our Genius projects. There will be one Genius project that students will work on periodically throughout the whole year. This hands-on project will provide students with the opportunity to demonstrate their physics knowledge by engineering a car. Mondays will be dedicated time to allow students to work in groups or individually on their project. Our final topic for this video is parent support. Our program relies heavily on donations from parents and the community. The amazing hands-on lab experiences and projects can bring costs up quite quickly. We really appreciate any donations that you are able to give. Here is a link to items that would help our science department. Feel free to bring any donations with you on back to school night or send them to school with your child.